Welcome to Baikumi. Today we're making a jalapeno scramble Asian style. Learn how to pickle these jalapenos in a vinegar soy sauce brine and use them in a tasty scramble. And don't worry, I show you how to make these jalapenos, all flavor and no heat. Let's go. The ingredients for pickling the jalapenos: water, soy sauce or tamari sauce, white vinegar, sugar, jalapenos. Choose the ones that are straight and not curved if possible. This makes the de-seeding and deveining easier. And the tools for pickling: pint jar with a tight-fitting lid, cutting board and knife and a paring knife, food-safe gloves or plastic bag, measuring cup, spoon. I use a long-handle iced teaspoon, 1 tablespoon measuring spoon, and a measuring glass is helpful, small pot. Time to deal with the jalapenos. You will need 4 or 5 to fill a pint jar. De-seeding and deveining the jalapenos will help remove the heat. However, when handling jalapenos, accidentally getting the oils on your skin or especially in your eyes will cause burning. Trust me, you don't want this. You can use gloves or a plastic bag to cover your hands. I like to core the center to avoid the risk of touching the oils. To do this, cut off the top. Using a paring knife, carefully cut around the center. Pop out the seeds and membrane. Touch only the outside, especially if not using gloves like me. Continue to clean out any remaining seeds or membrane. Now repeat for all the jalapenos. I like to clean up before slicing. Avoid touching any seeds or membranes. Slice the jalapenos into rings. Notice I never use my hands to move any of the jalapenos. Now, using the plastic bag like a glove, place the jalapenos in the pint jar. Let's make the brine. Add 1/4 cup water to the pot, 6 tablespoons white vinegar, 6 tablespoons soy sauce or tamari sauce, 1 tablespoon sugar. Take the brine and sliced jalapenos to the stove. Turn on the stove to medium. Be sure the sugar dissolves and the brine is heated. Watch carefully to avoid spilling over like I almost did. Pour the heated brine into the pint jar. Using the spoon, press down the jalapenos into the jar and seal tightly. Leave the jar out until the evening and then place in the refrigerator. Wait a minimum of 3 days before using. These will last for weeks in the back of the refrigerator. With the jalapenos ready, let's make the scramble. The ingredients are eggs, pickled jalapenos, butter or oil, soy sauce or tamari sauce for serving. And for the tools: measuring glass or small bowl, fork and or chopsticks, cutting board and knife, 1/3 cup measuring cup, medium fry pan, spatula and resting plate, serving bowl. Chop enough pickled jalapenos to fill about 1/3 cup measuring cup, but use as little or as much as you want. We're ready for the eggs. Crack open 6 eggs into a bowl or measuring cup. I remove the calaza. This is the white cord that keeps the yolk in the center of the egg. This is just my own preference for texture. Now beat the eggs a bit, then add the chopped jalapenos. Continue to beat until thoroughly mixed. It's time to cook. With the butter in the pan, turn the stove on to medium. Melt the butter and spread across the entire pan. Give the eggs a good stir and pour them into the pan. With the spatula, mix the eggs as they cook. Once the eggs are cooked, turn off the stove and you're done. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for more information or a printable recipe, visit bykumi.com. And don't forget to share your photos. We'll see you again soon. 再见。